life, you can do whatever you want if you want it bad enough in life. And that's very true. And I have witnessed that through my own experience and talking to other people. Being like, I'm a coach now for more than 2 years, and we do some coaching call. We meet people. We hear their stories, their why they're looking, to start an online business. And I have seen people with great potential, great capability to achieve a lot in this. In online business or any other opportunity, it's about a mindset at the end of the day. But the only enemy that stops people from achieving is aiming for quick results and not being patient and consistent toward their goals, right? I always like to compare with this approach. It makes it more more clear. If you're preparing a meal, if you're cooking, right, there's different ingredients to put in this pot, but there's steps. You can't, if you add all the ingredients all together and you put on the pot on really high fire because you want the recipe to be ready in a short period of time, what's gonna happen? Maybe mixing all these ingredients together without giving some ingredients need more time than other ingredients to be cooked, right? And putting that on a high fire will finally, the outcome of this, of this pot will be something not delicious, will be something burned, will be something not appetizing, right? And it's the same concept in life. Like everything you want to achieve, you need to know what's the basic, what's the component of this project, like what my steps are. Like divide your project in small steps and achieve one, because you can't go to the end, to the final result without going through steps in any project, right? Even though in this business you can't get to the destination without going through the chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3 of each step.